Hi students, Andhra Pradesh.
Please like this video, subscribe, get notified.
Hello friends, my name is Jyoti. I am studying in 10th class, ZVHS Rajupeta High School. Today I explain this sum. Show that root 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A equal to secant A plus tan A. Solution. Root 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A equal to root 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A into 1 minus rationalization చేయగా ఎలా వచ్చింది ఈక్వల్ టు రూట్ 1 ప్లస్ sin A హోల్ స్క్వేర్ బై 1 మైనస్ sin స్క్వేర్ A equal to 1 plus sin A square by root cos square A equal to 1 plus sin A by cos A 1 by cos A plus 1 by sin by cos A, sin cos A by cos A, 1 by cos A cos A plus sin A by cos A equal to secant A plus tan A. Thank you to all.